Hey cyber warriors! Today we're diving into a powerful new tool from the Wazuh team, the Wazuh Public CVE Tracker. If you're in threat detection, vulnerability management, or security engineering, this is a feature you'll want to get your hands on. Let's unpack what makes it a game changer in the open source SIEM landscape. So what exactly is this tracker? In essence, it's a real-time, publicly accessible platform that aggregates and displays known common vulnerabilities and exposures, CVEs, across monitored systems. It brings vulnerability intelligence directly into your dashboard, tightly integrated with Wazuh agents and server-side modules. No more bouncing between third-party CVE databases and your SIEM setup. One of the standout functionalities is its ability to correlate CVEs with specific endpoint software inventories. Wazuh collects package information from agents and matches this against NVD feeds. So if your Ubuntu server is running an outdated OpenSSL version, Wazuh will not only flag the CVE, but show you precisely where it resides in your infrastructure. The tracker also categorizes vulnerabilities based on severity, exploitability, and even links to available patches or mitigation steps. For red teamers, this gives an instant blueprint of potential pivot points. For blue teamers, it becomes a priority heat map to guide patch management efforts. Under the hood, Wazuh uses scheduled tasks and decoders to maintain an updated vulnerability index. The CVE module syncs with feeds like the NIST, NVD, and others, parsing JSON entries and enriching them with metadata for context-aware alerts. You can even configure detection rules to trigger alerts based on CVSS scores or vulnerability age. The web interface is sleek, searchable, and filter-friendly. Want to pull all critical CVEs affecting Apache Tomcat across a specific subnet? Easy. Prefer a JSON export to integrate with your own dashboard? It's got you covered. The data's actionable and built for real-world ops. Wazuh also supports historical tracking and delta analysis. This means you can track how your vulnerability exposure changes over time, identify recurring weak points, and measure the impact of your remediation efforts. It's not just about alerts, it's about trends and threat posture evolution. For enterprise environments, this tracker becomes a central hub for compliance reporting and risk scoring. Integrating this with your SOC workflow ensures your team is always a step ahead, equipped with the right data to make informed decisions. To wrap it up, Wazuh's Public CVE Tracker is more than just a vulnerability feed. It's a fully integrated threat intel system that aligns with your operational workflow. Whether you're doing proactive defense or adversary emulation, this tool gives you clarity and control. So go check it out and level up your visibility. See you in the next one.